Well, thank you very much. A little while ago, I met with the Prime Minister and advised him that I would be challenging him for the leadership of the Liberal Party.
This country needs strong and stable government, and that means avoiding at all costs Labor's revolving door Prime Ministership.
One down, one to go.
You smell that? Not that smell is. That's right, it's money. Go ahead, rub a dick on that shirt. I rub my dick on expensive shit. I rub my dick on expensive shit. It's like a dream come true, I'm living the dream, bro. Rubbing my dick on expensive shit. Told my daddy I was gonna grow up to be a superstar, rapper making big money, now I mean girl. When my daddy told me I was living in a dream world, if I said yes dad, I wouldn't have my Zep swag. I fly down the whole fucking world, getting jet lag, getting bitten by the Zep bug. It's the best drug, if I played it safe I would've never made it ever. Now every day and every way I get a little zephyr. I'm mad music with my arms at the door. This is why that beautiful design of vaginas. I rub my dick on expensive shit. I rub my dick on expensive shit.
My
view. Dream come true, I'm living the dream, bro. Rubbing my dick on expensive shit.
I don't know.
Big money. Big money. Big money.